are live.
We're live? We're live, but we're not warm, right, Jeannie?
That's right.
Okay, it's Keely. Live still with the kids on a very cold day. Is it cold enough for you today, Jeannie?
It's too cold for me.
Okay, yeah, it is super, super cold out today, but that's okay. We like this season. Now how you like all our wool, right? That's what I always tell people. They're like, oh, it's cold out. I'm like, I love winter. And they're like, how can you love winter? I said, you don't sell wool for a living. Yeah.
This is true.
Yes, we love cold weather. It's a good thing. Speaking of yarn, we have new stuff. Last week we were like, well, not much to talk about. Total opposite this week because a ton of stuff came in since I last saw you. We'll start here. A bunch of stuff from Sirdar came in. This top yarn is called Loveful Tweed, and it has the best pitch line. You're gonna crack up. Here it is. Ready? This yarn is rubbish. They're British. So, yeah, trash. It literally is trash. This stuff is, this yarn is 100% made from fibers that were saved from a landfill. And so, it's really nice. It's a nice tweed. It's a blend. It has wool, acrylic, polyamide. Again, all trash. Love and great colors and good yardage. This part you're really going to like. This has, let's see. I don't have my glasses on. I'm getting at that age. Hold it back here. I used to do that to my mom. Here, I'll hold it across the room. Maybe you can read it. 328 yards on a ball. It's a DK weight, $6.95. And it is a nice yarn. Very nice trash. Who knew? We'd be going, trash. Cool. Yeah, so that yarn is rubbish. Our jewel spun chunky that we got in earlier in the fall has sold like hotcakes, has it not? Everybody loves the jewel spun chunky. So we thought, hey, let's branch out and do the OG, the jewel spun Aran. Look how pretty this yarn is. It has the look of almost like a hand spun and a hand dyed, but it's not. You get a really big ball of yarn, gorgeous colors, totally gorgeous colors. And again, this is only $17.95 a ball. Gotta like it. So if you love the look of Noro, but maybe that's not how much you want to spend, you want something really super soft, you might consider this. But yeah, these yarns sell. So yeah, got a little Sirdar in. We try to be practical. We can be practical. Both are machine washable. So, okay, and then also from this UK day around here. That also from the UK, right over here, Toft. These sell like crazy. We just got a shipment in, and we had to turn around and order again. Some of these are repeats, like the bison, Isaac, and the pig. We got so many. Is that one new? That's Dave. Is that Dave? No, yeah, Dave the Seagull. I like their names. You almost have to know their name. This is my new favorite. Winston the Aardvark. I mean, whoever thought to name an aardvark Winston? We had, is this Lisa? Yeah, we've had Lisa before. And the donkey's really Angerhard. No, Geraldine the Duck. That's the new one. Yeah, Geraldine the Duck just came in. Oh, we got the giraffe. Yeah. Okay, we may have to just kind of, there's more over here. We have so many, we ran out of room. It's Cindy the Flamingo. The zebra. Milo the dog is new. Emma the bunny is always a good seller. You have to go to, Mommy, go low. Go low. Who's back here? Oh, this one's new. He's hiding in the back. Look at him, Lauren. Lauren the Angora rabbit. Very cute. Elephant. Cow. The Highland coo. Oh, this is a new cow. We got a new cow in. This is a Holstein. They call it a Frisian cow. That sounds so much fancier.
It does.
That's what the Brits call it. It's a Frisian cow. Probably mispronounced. I'm mispronouncing. I can't pronounce anything. But we call it a Holstein, the milk cow. Okay, then I got some new ones in. This one, my son was excited about this. He's helping me on what's cool. The axolotl. If you don't know what an axolotl, you're obviously not a Zoomer. or below. Yeah, the kids all know what axolotls are. It's like a hot new animal. And it's a Danielle the axolotl. Got a cat. Some of these are repeats. I just got that one in. The frog. I got some new ones, didn't I?
Yeah.
The lion sells like crazy. Yeah. Go figure. I don't get that, but everybody likes the lion.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a new type of elephant. It has tusk. This is Mini Albus the elephant. So it's Albus with he has a little tusk. Mm-hmm. Oh, I got an ostrich.
Not
an ostrich. Starts with an O. Octopus.
Is it octopus?
Orla the octopus. I know that's not an ostrich. It just starts with an O. I'm tired and my brain is frozen. Yeah, so restock on those. Again, we can't keep those in stock, can we, Jeannie? Yes. Okay, this way. More. But wait, there's more. We had a big restock on big wool, including, we got some new colors in. Which ones are new? These deep ones. We got a new deep purple and a teal. Everybody else is a restock. Oh, this is exciting. Georgia Farrell's new book is here, Abstract 2 from Georgia Farrell, one of our favorite designers. There's 8 patterns in here, apparently. That's what it says on the cover. A lot of intarsia on this one. Let me get the big pictures. Collage. Again, intarsia, if you're up for that. Not everything's intarsia. It's intarsia. This has got more of her textural, geometric type designs. Whoops, you really kind of see her architectural design in that. That's just a different color of it. More intarsia. This would be a good first intarsia project because there's not a lot going on there. Hold on. I can't flip pages today. This. I'm going to tie jacket. So I think that's everything. Oh, no, I missed one. Oh, I love this one. It's another jacket. Okay, so that's the new book from Georgia. I think I got everything there. Abstract 2, so it's in stock now. There was another one that you'll see them advertising on Rowan's site, the Kids Silk Haze Reimagined. It's not even in the U.S. yet, so don't get excited. I love it when they do that to us. Yeah, it's not available. Just in Europe, so just wait. It'll be here soon. More mini weaving looms came in. Have I missed anything, Jeannie?
Not that I know of.
Okay, other than being cold out, going on this week, our knit along continues Tuesday afternoon today, and Saturday afternoon we're doing our gumdrop shawl from Nikki Guide. And Saturday, Farrell is really popular right now. Everybody's doing the doodle designs on all sorts of things where you take motifs and everybody's into motifs right now. So Farrell is really super hot. If you'd like to improve your Farrell skills or just learn it in general, we are doing our Farrell class this Saturday morning. You should come. I will teach you things. I've even taught people things that have done Farrell forever. So I have a lot to teach, don't I?
You do.
I do. You'll learn something. I promise you. You'll learn more than you'll learn on YouTube. Right?
That's right.
Yeah, there's YouTube and then there's Keely. You got to come learn from me. And I guess that's it for today. Anything else? Okay, well, more stuff's coming in on the way. I'll have some more new yarns hopefully to tell you about next week. Bye.